Right, this morning's job is another lintel. A lot of lintels lately. You can see the crack there, but also quite obvious there's another lintel in there. So we're going to take it up to the next full course, get rid of the brick and edge, go straight across our lintel. So here's the ingredients for a lintel: planks, trestles, ACROWs for propping up obviously, power for the power tools, insulation in case there's any insulation in the cavity that falls out. There's our lintel, which is too long, we're going to cut that down. Water for later, because we won't be able to get at the top once the trestles are up. Tools, radio, very important. Wheat bents, grinder, cordless drill for taking all the bits of plastic out of the way. Big drill through getting the brickwork out. Cavity tray, ladders for getting up on, because I can't climb up anymore. PPE, and these, I have to say about these goggles, fantastic. Tool station. The Stanley, they fit really good on your face. Can't wear glasses under them, but as you can see, the lens just pops out for cleaning, and they do take a lot more. They don't scratch as easy as the cheaper, horrible plastic ones. So I'd recommend them. Stanley from Tool Station, about £4.50. And that's everything. So let's get set up and get going.
Use that one. Oh, look, get it off your chest, Ken, get it off your chest. I'm surprised by that, you see. I could see him turning his chipolata.
All set up. Grinder ready. Need to get my boots on yet. Drill. As you can see. Ready for falling out. So as soon as that window comes out, which has been replaced, they're going to go, so. And then a few cracks to fix here. So need to get the top out of the way. Right, that's the ACROWs in. You may notice there's no strong boys this time. The reason being, I've just done 2 lintels the last couple of days, and I actually forgot the strong boys, so I had to do it without them. And this is like the old school I used to do it, but you've not got a lot of room to work here, but the ACROWs are right your way. Usually the ACROWs are here with your strong boy across, so they're always in the way. I found them just better. All this time I've been using strong boys and I didn't really need to. It's so much easier with that like that. So much more room to move. So now it's all propped up, you can get all this brickwork out now. Always try and take enough bricks out to give yourself room to do your cavity tray. You could just take 2 out and slide the lintel in, but you can't get in to sort your cavity tray out. So don't be afraid to take an extra course out. It's an extra 10-15 minutes to put them back again, so don't scrimp on what you're taking out. So let's get this done now. Right, that's everything out. There's the old tray. Obviously no lintel. That's all the brickwork cut out. So we're going to sit our lintel. Need to cut this off. Get a blade on the grinder, the steel blade, because I've got to cut the lintel down too because the lintel's too long. So get that back in and then 3/4 of it back in. And we're going to cut this off here, same as you did on the other lintel yesterday. Tuck our cabbage tray underneath and just seal it, so you've still got the lip. And then we'll just take it past there. Obviously I'll just have to stick that. So let's carry on then. Right, you might see on the time lapse. That's the tray out. We can attach our tray underneath there now. And I've raked out anywhere where it's been cracked. Just give it a good soaking with the hose pipe before I start working underneath it. So most of that's going to be repointed. So I'm going to get the lintel in now and get the cabbage tray done.
In the street.
Right, lintel in.
I mean, it's crazy to think about. You think it wouldn't even go on.
Super-sized packers. New window going in here, so that'll be made up by a new window. That's solid now. It's going nowhere when I come over the top of that. So cabbage tray now, it's going to be fun. So we're getting there. And the mixer's ready on the board, so as soon as we can get this tray, we can get cracking.
And then no one else in the
Tray in, sealed up, corner up ready for after dinner. All the fiddly bits are over now. Took me ages. Always fiddly than you think. Look, there's our vents. And get it cracked up after dinner. Bloody sun's out now. It just started pouring down. A bit of thunder just as I was finishing off. Just managed it. There we go, new lintel, new cavity tray, wheat vents, repointed all the cracks above. Nice and tidy. So don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and check out those affiliate links below. Thanks for watching.